going on, everybody? In my last video I showed you guys how to remove the front seats out of your Mark IV, and today we're going to clean them. Alright, we've got 4 steps for cleaning these seats today. Step 1 is going to be the dry cleaning, which is basically just vacuuming. Step 2, which is going to be adding the shampoo to the fabric. Step 3, which is going to be the extracting and drying, so we can extract all the shampoo and dirt out of these. And then step 4 is going to be cleaning and protecting all of the plastics on the outside. So here are all of the tools that you guys are going to need to do this job. We've got some brushes, we've got a shop vac, I've got this Meguiar's carpet and upholstery cleaner for shampooing. We've got quick interior detailer, some natural shine protectant, and some supreme shine protectant from Meguiar's. We got some microfibers back there. This isn't needed, but as an extra tool, I've got this extractor vacuum that's gonna make a huge difference. All these tools are gonna be linked in the description below. Now let's get started. Okay, for the first step, I'm just going to be vacuuming the entire outside of the chair and using one of these toothbrushes or any other brush that you have to agitate any little crumbs or any loose dust and dirt that we can get out before shampooing. Check this out, guys. We got the vacuuming done. We've still got a small stain here, and we were able to get most of the dirt out of the bolsters. Now that we've got the vacuuming done, we can move on to step 2. So for step 2, we're going to take our carpet and upholstery cleaner. We're going to spray it into the seat. We're going to agitate it with a brush, bring all that dirt to the surface so that we can wipe it off with a microfiber. Or if you've got an extractor, you can extract all the dirt that way. As you can see, I got all of that shampoo worked into the fibers here with the brush. I am only going to do the back of the seat for you guys right now and the sides, just to make this a little easier, and then I'll do the rest off camera. But we're going to move on to step 3 now. Okay, so now we're on to step 3. I've got my extractor. This will allow us to spray the seat with water. I've just got warm water in mine. And then we'll be able to extract everything out that way. So my seats might not have looked super dirty to start with, but this is all the dirty water that I extracted out of those seats. So there's definitely a lot of dirt in there. So I wanted to make sure I explained what to do if you don't have an extractor vacuum. If that's the case, you're just going to spray the cleaner all over, agitate everything with the brush like you saw me do, and then you're going to just wipe everything as dry as possible with a microfiber. You should get a lot of dirt off with the microfiber, but it just won't be as deep of a clean as if you use an extractor vacuum. Okay, we just finished up with the extractor. I'll take you guys around so you can see how nice and clean everything actually got. So now we're gonna move on to the final step, cleaning off this plastic. While the seats are drying, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our fourth and final step, cleaning and protecting all of the plastics on the bottom of the seat. You can see this one is definitely due for a cleaning. What we're gonna do is take our quick interior detail cleaner. We're gonna spray it directly onto a microfiber, wipe everything down, get everything cleaned off. And then we're gonna take our whichever choice. There's natural shine and there's like a high shine glossy protection, but we're gonna rub that in using a brush, get that spread all over this, and then we're gonna wipe it clean with another microfiber. So we just finished up with the cleaner and you can see this looks so much better already. Now I'm gonna be spraying some protectant straight into the tip of this brush, and then we're gonna work that in and then buff it off. So I've let this soak in, so now I'm gonna buff all this off. Don't forget to get in down here on some of these tracks and make sure that you get all the dirt off of those to make everything look that much better. And look at all the dirt we got off the tracks. Check this out, guys. This looks brand new. It's non-greasy, looks like fresh new plastic, and this before and after is gonna be a pretty big change. I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope it helped you out. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.